Yo guys, what's poppin'? Today I have a product unboxing for you guys on my YouTube channel. So I typically do vlogs, but I started out as somewhat of a technology channel. So I got something really cool to unbox for you guys today. I think you're gonna really like what we have here to check out. So you've probably seen stuff like this already. I mean, it's nothing special out of the ordinary, but this is a USB-C hub adapter for the 2016-2017 MacBook Pro. I got this on Amazon. I believe it was $50. So as you know, Apple had a brain fart and they're like, okay, let's get rid of all the ports that people use on their MacBook Pro, except the old auxiliary input cable. So basically this is gonna bring back all the old ports on the new MacBook Pro. This is gonna snap right into the USB-C ports that they included now, and it's gonna basically bring back the functionality of all the old ports that everyone knows and loves. All right, and now time for a little backstory. So when I was looking for this MacBook, I was low-key pissed to find out that they got rid of all the old ports, because I rely on USB Type A, I believe, or Type B, I can't remember. I think it's Type A, just the regular rectangular USB. I rely on that, the SD card slot, and the HDMI port. Those are like my top three biggies when it comes to using a computer. And so I was either on the verge of getting an old one, like a 2015 that still had all the ports on it, or getting next year's model, but I believe like the 2018 MacBook is going to be released later this year, but not be released until it's going to come out later this year, but then not be open available to buy until I believe the first quarter of 2019. And I start college this fall, and I did not want to wait that long to get a new MacBook. So I kind of just jumped right in the middle and was like, all right, I'm going to grab the one that's out right now, the 2017 MacBook Pro. This is the 15-inch space gray with a touch bar and touch ID. So let's go ahead and jump into this product. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and show you this product now. This is, I'm going to attempt to pronounce this, Hogore. I've never heard of this company before. I could not find a well-known company like Logitech or, something that makes frequent accessories for computers. I could not find that anywhere below like $100. So USB-C adapter, it shows all the ports that are included in this adapter. So they tried to match it space gray to the MacBook, and this is the space gray one, but it's not quite on. I believe I should have got the silver, because this does not look anything like that. You'll see in just a second. Let me go ahead and go over the specs on this. So you do get an HDMI video output, and it's up to 4K at 30 Hertz or 1080p at 60 Hertz. With the tip of it is an HDMI port. Next, you do get a Thunderbolt 3, the Thunderbolt 3 port, which is already on the MacBook Pro. That does carry through, so that works fine. And that's probably the most fastest connection out right now. So that's, as you see, up to 5K footage, up to 60 Hertz. That's crazy. That's better than HDMI, obviously. And 40 gigabytes per second in terms of transferring data. So I heard you can transfer a 4K raw movie in under 5 minutes or something. USB-C, 5 gigabits per second data speed. And then you get your micro SD card and SD card slot, which I'm super excited because this camera I'm on right now uses the SD card, but my GoPro uses as a micro SD, and I always have to use the adapter into the SD card slot, and it's just an extra step. This saves me here, so I can put the micro SD right into this port. Alright, and last but not least, we do have two USB 3.0 ports, which do go up to 5 gigabytes per second in terms of data speed, and an LED indicator to let you know that it is working. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this thing. It's pretty simple, nothing really on it in terms of cellophane. This just came in the box like this. So right away we do have the adapter, which is really slim and sleek. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that out, give you guys a look at it. So as you guys see here on the tip, you do have the HDMI port, and then you got your two USB-C ports on the side. This one's your Thunderbolt. As you can see, it's indicated right there. And then you got your SD card slot, your micro SD card slot, and your two USB 3.0 ports, which those are my two favorite. I mean, that's what I'll be using the most. I don't really have anything other than the MacBook charger that uses USB-C as of now, but maybe later on down the road I will. So as you see, this does take up two of your USB-C ports on the side, but that's no big deal because you're getting them right back right here. Setting that aside, this is the next thing that comes in the box. It's just a single adapter. If you do want to put this on the other side, say, and just USB-C to USB-A, I guess is what that is. I honestly don't remember the name of it right now, but I don't know why my camera's going out of focus. Yeah, so as you see there, it's a USB 3.0 connection. on one end, and this goes into the MacBook USB-C. Now for the comparison here, you will see that the MacBook Pro and the adapter do not really match in color. Maybe in certain light, like right there, they not really. They don't really blend in at all. Like you see there, like this is a lot darker. This is like the space gray, like on the side of the iPhone. Like this is like that space gray. Like that matches that better than it does the MacBook. Anyways, that's not the point. No one's really gonna even notice that's on there. I mean, it's more so just for the functionality, but the aesthetic does really add on to it. All right, so this seems to be pretty simple installation. Just simple as sliding it into the two Thunderbolt 3 ports, or just the two USB-C ports on the side, like that. Okay, and it says there is going to be some room for if you do have a case, so it's not completely attached, but you can see there it's a little bit of a gap, so no big deal, it still fits just fine. So first I'm going to do something I do quite often. I'm going to go ahead and put in the micro SD card slot off the GoPro. I'm going to go ahead and slide that in there. Seems to be a little bit tight, but should fit. Alright, so something I just found out, you have to put in the micro SD card upside down, which, that's fine, I mean as long as it works. But let's go ahead and see if we can pull that up under Finder. Okay, sweet. So it comes up right here. No problem at all. Here's all my GoPro files, and it doesn't even like act different. It looks just like it normally would, as if you had a normal USB port on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a video from my latest vlog and see if this works and just see how it plays. Awesome, so it's pretty smooth. I really like that, it looks great. It's a good smooth playback and there's no lag between the connections. Alright, so next I'm going to plug in the portable SSD, or I don't know why I keep calling it that, the portable hard drive. Wow, that was a really tight fit. It did not want to go, but I did get it on, you see it's on. Wow, so when I plug in the hard drive, it even asks if I want to use this as a time machine. And no, I don't right now, but maybe eventually I do. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into Seagate Backup, Canon Picks, and let's do, just say, we'll bring up something from the Tybee Island trip, and we will go down and, oops, I did not mean to do that. Oh, it came undone. Hold on, that was weird. I tried to do that, and I did this, and I went down, and it crashed, but here we go. Here's a picture from Tybee Island, so it comes right off the hard drive. That's pretty nice. It works just like I guess it should. It says locked, but that's fine. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope I kind of helped you decide if you'd like this or not. I didn't go over like all the pricing and options and everything, but I know I got this for $50. Link will be right in the description. First link in the description will be to this product. If you have a MacBook Pro and you're looking for something like this, definitely recommend it. They also offer a $1.44 protection plan for this. It covers 4 years. Anything wrong with it, they'll switch it out for a brand new one. So I did buy that because I wasn't quite sure on this company. I didn't know how they were in terms of reliability. So I did go ahead and buy the warranty / like insurance on it, and it's through like Assure or Azure or something, and they email you the certification and you get it right away. So definitely recommend this product. If you haven't gotten it, anything like that, I definitely would go ahead and look into it, because it really does open up your possibilities with what you can do with the new features in the MacBook Pro with the old interface. So definitely recommend that. Leave a comment or like down below if you enjoyed it. If you didn't like it, the other button seems to work too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment or like down in the description, and wait. Whoa! Huh. Leave a comment or like down. Oh, whoa! Back on me. Hold up.